Hello friends, I Pankaj Dumka welcomes you all to this session on Python for Mechanical Engineers. In this particular session or in previous sessions, what you have seen is you as a programmer has directly given the value to a variable. Let us say a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9.3 and so on. But if you have made a program and you have given that program to someone, so your program should ask that particular user to give the values of A and B. So how to ask user for a data? That is done with the help of input statement. So the input statement goes like this. You have to write input, and then in this parenthesis you can pass an argument if required, and that has to be done. You should do this because otherwise your user will not know what he is basically entering. For example, if I say a is equal to input, okay, then the moment you press shift enter, it will be showing this. That means you have to enter something in it. So let us say I have entered 2 and then enter. So now a is having something, some value in it, that is 2. But the important thing to understand here is the moment you run this cell, it is not asking, it is not telling you that what you have to enter. So the good practice is to write some special thing here or write the explanation of here. For example, enter first number, and then this is \n means new line. So what this enter first number will come, and then after this in a new line you have to enter the number like this. Now your user will be greeted with this statement that enter first number. So he will be entering this number. So he knows what to enter. So let us say I have entered 2. Okay. Now likewise, if I say input, enter second number, new line, and if I run this, then second number, let us say 4. Okay. Now if you try to add these two numbers, that is a plus b, remember a is 2 and b is 4. So the answer is, oh, it is coming as 24. Why? The reason to this problem is the moment you input something, it converts into, it's take the input function, take it, and then it will be returning or giving this a string. So if you type a and c, it is 2 and then inverted commas. That simply means it is a string. So as engineers, what you should do, if you want a string, so keep it like this. Otherwise you have to typecast. So you can write here a is equal to int a, and likewise here b is equal to int b. Now you have converted the data type of this a from let me print this first. What is the type of a here, and then let us print after this type of a. So I am entering the number 2. So it is, no, I haven't printed it. Print type of a, and here also print type of a type. So let us say 2. So the moment I give this 2, the type is string. Okay, and after typecasting it has become integer type. So remember, whenever you are dealing with numbers, so always convert its type. So likewise I can do here as well. So int b, that has been done. Let us say 2 again I'm giving, or 3 or 4, let us say. So a is 2, b is 4 now, but that previously it was coming 2 in quotes and 4 in quotes, but now that has converted into integer type. So if now I write a plus b, it will be giving me an answer output of 6. So this is correct. So remember, whenever you are asking something from user a number, then you have to typecast it. You have to convert it into either integer or float depending on the requirement. So these two statements can be clubbed into one. How? Let us say I'm asking a user about to enter something. Let us say D. So input enter D, let us say, and then new line. So I have to typecast it. So in the next statement I can write D is equal to let us say it is a float type, float D, but it's better to write this here. How? That is float and then this. So what this will be doing, it will be taking the value from the user and then converting it into float, and then you can use it as a number. So let me print this D. So enter D, let us say 4, and now it is 4.0 is there in the memory. So in this way you can use input function to give data from the keyboard. So in this lecture till this point only. So thank you very much for your patient hearing, and keep learning. Take care. Bye.